Welcome to the 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. The SLT Terrain is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating. That's your height adjustable trunk release, automatic headlights and fog lights. A leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control, forward collision warning and audio controls. 25,587 kilometers on the odometer. Push-button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We have dual zone climate control with heated seating as well. Gear selector, audio, USB ports, your heated seats right here, 4-wheel drive system, lane keep assist, and for downhill descent. You have the all black interior with high quality Bose audio for the SLT and the black heated leather SLT Terrain seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the SLT, we do have the 19-inch wheel and tire package with Hankook all-season tires. Color-matched door handles with keyless entry, color-matched mirror caps. Coming to the front of the truck, we have LED brake light or LED headlights, turn signals, fog lights as well, SLT chrome grille, and of course bright red GMC lettering. Coming down to the side, keyless entry, remote start, rear tinted privacy windows on the SLT. At the back of the little SUV here, dual chrome exhaust tips with the 2-liter turbo, rear parking sensors, power tailgate, LED brake lights, and of course a backup camera with a height adjustable trunk release. Jumping into the interior of the SLT, second row leather 60/40 split, both end seats here car seat ready. That 60/40 allows you to fold the seats nice and quick. This vehicle does have the backing all the way up to protect those back seats. The GMC liner for the trunk, back up locking into position, over top light headliner color, LED lighting, and a massive dual panel sunroof. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the 2020 GMC Terrain. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.